What's popping, guys? Wagwan. Welcome back to another video. Just a little vlog. I haven't been around for a few weeks. I've done some lives, guys, and I've been checking out TikTok. I've been checking out the world of TikTok, but I thought let me quickly just come and say hi and put up something on this channel because I need to do that and keep consistent a little bit. But yeah, and then we've been busy at work, I've been tired. I always tell you these things. So that is what's been happening. And today it's Saturday, guys, and I'm just spending time at home, but I decided to cook. I'm gonna cook my take on a Nigerian recipe with goat and chicken and the way they blend up their tomato and their peppers and all that. So we're gonna do like a chicken and goat covered in their kind of stew. And I think might add spinach to mine. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't before. Yeah, so this morning I got up late. I've been so tired. Yesterday I worked from home, and then I finished at 4 o'clock, guys, and from the table, from my desk or dressing table, I got up, got a drink, went to the bathroom and went to my bed. I said, let me get a couple hours sleep, and I never got up till 9:45 p.m. So tired. And even then I got up, I can't even remember what I really did, and I fell back asleep. And then I got up today, Saturday, at 11 a.m. before I got out of bed. And pure sleeping. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I feel tired, man. So I finally got up at 11, all fresh, and ran out to the supermarket because I needed to get the goat and the chicken. And then I got a few other bits. Let me show ya. Oh. Hey. Yeah, guys, so these are the things I got. I need to cook today with these tomatoes and red peppers. I got some cabbage, not using that today. These are the best if you love white chocolate, deliciously smooth and creamy, and it ain't no lie. These are really nice, guys. I've got some plantain, sugar, noodles for my ramen. I picked up some carpet freshener. These Polish sausages, guys, they are boom. I think these ones are Polish. Really nice. For all these big fat sausages, £3.95. Bargain. Got 2 packs. Because I drop them in my ramen soup. Sometimes I come in lazy, I fling 2 in the oven with some oven chips. Yeah, man, nice. All-purpose seasoning, some oat milk. I don't drink regular milk. It makes me go toilet. So I like oat milk. I don't really love soya milk. I needed some bin liners. This is Rinse Aid for the dishwasher. Toilet duck, best toilet cleaner. And some cleaner for the bathroom. That's what I bought. Just on the corner shop, guys. I went out there to get goat meat, and this is what I come back with. Yeah. And then over here, guys, I bought a chicken. I've got a chicken in the freezer, but I just got another one because I didn't defrost the other one. So I just bought a chicken because I want. This is smoked turkey. Smoked turkey legs, smoked turkey wing. And you can see the size of, I didn't want to touch it, but you can see the size of them to the size of my hand. They're big, guys. And a turkey leg. I love these. And to be honest, I just washed. People chop them up, put them in their food. I wash them off and I just put them in the oven, let them roast up and cook, and then whatever I'm eating, whatever. But to sit down and nibble the bone on this, guys, oh my God, very, very nice. Chicken, and in here I've got my goat meat. This is just some lamb neck going in the freezer. This is going in the freezer. I'm only using the goat and the chicken today. Yeah. So that's what's going on with me today. Yeah, so that's what's going on. And we're going to get cooking with these stuff. So I am just going to pack these things away. And I'll show you how I do my stuff. Alright guys? So just watch what's going on. I'm going to be using all this today. We are going to be blending in the blender the peppers, the onions, the tomatoes, scotch bonnet. We're going to put some garlic in there, some mixed herbs, and we're going to blend all that together. That's going to be the sauce what we're going to cook down. Right, and then guys, I'm going to cut up this chicken, wash the goat, and then we're going to boil this in some seasoned water. We're going to boil it till it's almost cooked. And yes, I said boil, guys. This is a Nigerian recipe based on and method of cooking, because we know that us Jamaicans normally brown all our meat first and all of that. So this is a different style of cooking we're going to do. So I'm going to wash up this, cut up the chicken, and then I'll be back, all right? Hey guys, welcome. Hey Divas and Dons, welcome. I am back, guys, and I've been a bit naughty. I come back to finish out this vlog, but I've done cook already. I've cooked already, but if you want to see how I've done everything, I did cook on live. So if you go over to the live section, it's all on live, 3 hours of our cook what's behind me. Yeah, and we got more than just chicken and goat stew. Me end up with Manish water, guys. Yeah, me end up with Manish water. Yeah, so real nice. I'm gonna show you, end out the vlog, show you what I ended up with. But if you want to know exactly how I done everything from beginning to end, go and watch the live. And my friend popped round, so we've got us two chatting on the live. Go and have a look if you want to see how I done this. So what I'm going to do now is show you what's in the pot. So here we are, guys, at the cooker. Yeah, done cook. So this is the chicken and the goat. And let me get something and show you. So it's cooled down a bit now, guys, but it's the chicken and the goat in that spicy pepper and tomato cook up. Well, you wouldn't have seen it. You have to go and see how I done all of this on the live, guys. Yeah, so this is chicken and goat meat, and I'm telling you, it is nice. Yeah, and I blend up all the sweet pepper and the tomato, garlic, onion, yeah, and make a nice sauce. And now all the chicken, yeah, and the goat. This is goat meat. It's coated in that sauce. It's very, very savoury and tastes so nice. Yeah, man, it tastes real nice. I'm proud of it, and it's my take on a Nigerian method, yeah? Trust me. And if you wanted it more stewy and wet, you just don't have to cook out the tomato so dry. If you want it more gravy-like. So this is the stew, what it's coated in. That tastes so nice. And sometimes you don't have to coat everything. You can put the sauce separate. But this nice, man. You see how tomorrow? Jesus Christ. And remember, you know, that we boiled the chicken and the goat in some flavoured water. We seasoned up the water. And over here, guys, by accident, me end up with Manish water, guys. Look there. Yeah. Because after I boiled out the goat, because I've seasoned up the water in it, boil the goat, the water alone smelled so good. So I tasted a little bit on a teaspoon and I said, nah, man, this can be for making a Manish water. Yeah. So it's like a little pepper soup Manish water. There's a country pepper bus up in there. Yeah. And then in the end, I just dropped 2 corn on the cob in there. I put some carrots and a few Irish. That's Irish potato. And this is Manish water. Season it up a little bit, couple Maggi cube. And then I remembered I had some packets of this. Yeah. I had some packets of this. What I brought back from Jamaica, ram goat soup, flavour Manish water. I forgot I had this. I've got 2 left, this and another one, and I used one in here. And yes, man, it give it the It give it the what, you know, to beef up back that goat what did cook in there. It's the first time me ever do a Manish water, and I put fresh thyme in here and everything, guys. That's my take on a Manish water. We stumbled on it by accident. I have tasted this and I've put it to the flavour what I like, and it tastes nice. Yeah, me now ask Christ. Me now ask Christ. Tastes real nice. Look. You see how that flavourful, and it's brothy. It's not too heavy. Yeah. And you know, I was wondering whether I should have put 2 of this, but you have to make the thing them cook, man. Sometimes I rush the thing and I didn't need to. This was enough. So this stuff is really good, guys. Ram goat soup. It just finish it off, you know. Nice. I got this in Jamaica. I haven't, I'm sure they have it over here. I think I have seen it in the shop. Yeah. Ram goat soup. Yeah. So that's what I ended up putting in there. When you watch the live, you hear me, you see me with one, because I forgot I had that ram goat soup, and I was considering dropping this in there, fish tea soup, because it says it's for fish, but guys, the seasoning is seasoning, do you know what I mean? I ain't got fish in this packet, it's only seasoning, and I was going to put it in there, and then me remember say, me have the ram goat. So I put the ram goat, perfect, because it is goat Manish water. Yeah, so that's what we ended up with today. And I'm so freaking tired. I've been able to clean everywhere though, so you can see everywhere's clean. Dishwasher's on, because I haven't used the dishwasher for a while, so I thought perfect excuse to use it, because I had a few containers, and no matter how you see me wash up, there's still more washing up. So that's it. Kitchen's nice and clean. I'm gonna go and have a shower, And guess what? I didn't even steam no rice. I didn't do nothing, potato wedges, nothing. So guess what I'm gonna eat with this? Who can guess? Who can guess? Yes, crinkle cut oven chips, mate. Going in the oven to eat with this. Yeah, and I'm gonna have a little bowl of this, like my appetizer. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself, guys. Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Yeah, that's what I got up to. Like I said, if block out that light. Like I said, if you want to know how I cook this stuff, go and watch the live. If you want to see how I end up with Manish water, go and watch the live, guys. Yeah, but it was a nice cooking day, and my friend came round and gave me some unreal oil. I've done a video with this before, so if you look in my videos you'll see unreal oil. Yeah, that is my friend with her own small business. You can now get this on Amazon. It's on Amazon. It's excellent for your scalp, your nails, around your cuticles, even if you want to put it on your face. Natural oils. Is it telling me on the box? Everything in this is made with natural stuff, guys. And she's also starting to create her own body butter, so when that comes out I'll let you know. And she's on Instagram, she's on TikTok, so you can go for yourself and see what's going on if you're into nice oils and nice skin. And you can get this on Amazon, guys. Yeah, and she brought me around a bottle today. Yes, so that was really nice of her, and a bottle of wine. So it's been a good day. Let me show you the one that she brought round. It's a form of Prosecco, and I've never seen this one before. I can't even pronounce it, Rasta, trust me. So we drank some wine, and yeah, she's gone home. And that's it, guys. So that's it. That's what I got up to today. Little vloggy vlog. And I am going to shower now. And then after the shower, I'm going to dish some food. And while I'm eating, I'll just check through this video. There ain't much editing needed on this, yeah? So if you want to see how I cooked all this delicious food, go and watch the live. The live is up already. And just follow the recipe, guys. Follow the recipe where the ancestor them, the way they do it, the African them. Yes. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And I'll be back soon with something else. Yeah? Alright. And we have to do this, you understand? We have to big up the world boss, him land him out. Yeah. Gaza we say. Gaza we say. Yeah. Big up the world boss. Yeah. You know? Yeah. I'm happy about the cartel thing, but we'll might do a little chit chat on my view and all of that, yeah? Alright. Later, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. The diva is